Of course, because this club have been so many legends, so many years, so many players are playing here for long, and I have this happiness now to spend my third season with this Bengal. Of course, while the time I'm going and you are playing for the club is building the relationship is building. So I'm really happy to be here one more season. As I say many times, I want to leave the club as a legend. That I really want to be one player that the people will remember me in the future. So it's not easy because I think players they must to win trophies. They must to try to put the club in another level, and that's why my aim for Espegal try to put the club in another level again, because we know about the history of the club. The club was playing in EFC, playing international matches, and this is what not only me, that all of us in the club trying to do for the club again.
উৎসবে উপহারে নিত্য প্রয়োজনে শাড়ি ও রেডিমেড পোশাকের একমাত্র ঠিকানা রাজলক্ষ্মী, হিন্দ মোটর স্টেশনের নিকটে।